Good.
Okay, it's called Oh to Be a Bird.
Oh yeah.
An old oil pan, an upside down light cover, improvised feeders outside my window attract sparrows and robins, finches and wrens, magpies in tuxedos, jays bent on mischief, even a regal kestrel, and a band of scarlet tanagers whose white splashed black wings, lemon sunburst yellow bellies, and oh so bright red heads are a delight to behold. They come and go as they please. Oh, to be a bird. Long ago in younger days, a friend and I walked slowly, musing on life's foibles and the folly of humans. Wars, violence, greed, and corruption. We lamented our fate as gulls soared overhead freely, swooping down to water's edge to feed. Oh, to be a bird.
Oh, yeah.
Around the bend, before us on the path, lay an unidentifiable bird, squashed flat as a board, steamrolled dry, unrecognizable, a dead cardboard imitation of what once was. Oh, to be human.
Hey.